Hello friends, so today we are going to unbox a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse by Logitech. So first I'm going to unbox Logitech K380, the very famous keyboard. So I'm just going to unbox this one. I just received this product from Amazon today and I'm going to show you how it looks and whether you should buy it or not. I bought it for my MacBook Air. I will show you guys the demo of it as well. This is the bill. I've got this product inside retail for around 2,895. There was some discount as well. So this is the product, nothing inside. So as you can see, this is my new keyboard. It looks good. It looks great, I think. It's not very heavy, I would say, but it has some weight. I mean, it's not too light. Hard seal. Okay, now I have done it, and here it is, my Logitech K380. It looks good. It looks great, I think. Let me put it aside here. And what's inside the box? You can see only some pamphlets, Indonesia, Logitech English, some safety guide, nothing else. I don't think you get anything else, only the keyboard, not even any guides or something like how to connect with Bluetooth, something like that. You won't get that. Okay, so about the product information, here I cannot see anything in the box as well, only the picture of like multi-device as you can connect for these buttons. Here what's mentioned here, it's mentioned the price is 3,200, around 195, so 3,200, and I got it around 2,900, so 300 less than MRP, I would say, which is not pretty good, I would say, but yeah, that's okay. So let's unpack this one. Okay, I think the guide is here actually. This is the guide you get. This is the product. It looks good. It has a matte finish, which is good. I think it won't get dirty, or if it gets dirty, it won't be noticed. I can see some smudges out here, which is okay, I think. Even this CMD alt option is also okay. Yeah, I think the buttons are pretty good. Let's type and try. Yeah, it's good. So I need to remove that one. As you can see, this is the button to off. It's off now. You can see the red, and this is the button to on, and it started. As you can see, I need to choose multiple Bluetooth devices so that I can connect with them. So yeah, I will do it and show you guys how it works. But before that, I want to just unbox the mouse. Here, so that, yeah, so let's open now the mouse. so I'm aware like how it looks. So yeah, so I got this Pebble mouse for around 1945, around 2000. So yeah, that's the price it is. So this is the mouse. As you can see, it's pretty small, and yeah, same thing, I need to break the seal. They have put all the seals so that you can understand, like it's not opened before you. Wow, that's nice. So what we get inside is some important safety guides. This is some details in some other languages, I think. Yeah, so we can put that aside. So these are the main things. This is the guide, basically the same thing we are getting from our laptop, same kind of thing. So we need to open this. I think we need to cut this. Yeah, no, it can be opened from here. Yeah. As you can see, it has same kind of matte design, same kind of matte finish, I would say. It's smooth, it's nice, it's flat actually. As you can see, its height is pretty small, or not that much thick, I guess. So same thing, I'm removing that part. Okay, so it opens from here. Let me open it. Yeah, so it opens from top. As you can see, it's rolling. So this is another dongle that you will get if you don't want to use Bluetooth, via Bluetooth your mouse. You can use it, you can put it into your laptop, and you can use it with this dongle. Okay, so same thing here as well. I need to remove this so that I can use the battery. The good thing about this both the laptop and mouse is they are coming with battery. You don't need to put battery for these devices. It's just got connected. And if you want to open it again, you can do it like this. I think it has a magnet because it connects automatically. Yeah, it has a magnet. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, it has a magnet. Okay, that's nice, pretty nice. So I will show you the same thing, like how it connects. I can see like button is getting colorful. It's showing like I want to connect Bluetooth or not. It may be searching it. So I'm just turning it off. So yeah, that's it about the unboxing. I will show you how to connect now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will definitely come up with something else next time. Till then, bye bye.